Google Flow free? Want to automate tasks across Gmail, Docs, and Sheets? Let's break down Google Flow. So, Google Flow is a part of Google Workspace. It's an AI-powered automation tool that connects your apps so emails, files, and meetings work together automatically. With Flow, you can create workflows. For example, when you receive an email, Flow can log details into Sheets and save attachments in Drive. No manual steps needed. Flow isn't free like Gmail. It's bundled inside Workspace subscriptions. Starter has limited features, Standard adds more automation, Plus offers added security, and Enterprise unlocks full flow access. So, Google Flow is ideal for freelancers, educators, and businesses who want to automate repetitive tasks and focus on what matters. And that is full breakdown of Google Workflow.